Hey family, here's what you missed this year at Open House. It's a day where they get to come and enjoy and see campus life and get a chance to meet the president as well, dance with us, play with us, and pretty much get a tour of campus. We've had a ton of different organizations and events today, all from the marching band, the Woo-Boos, the cheerleaders, the Royal Court, the SGA. Also, we had a performance from our gospel choir. So it's pretty much a day where they get to see all the different academic programs as well. You can come learn more about mass comm, learn about psychology, learn about biology, any type of program that you're considering, and also majors and minors in between. So this year at Open House was a little bit different. We decided to put a twist on things. We started student-led academic sessions where they can go to any building on campus and learn about the different gemstones that are within our programs. For example, we had one where you can actually fly drones with your brain. We had one about psychology. We had one about robotics, one about the visual arts and design. So a lot of different vibes on campus. A jam session, Adobe Atmos recording room studio, all at Virginia State University, where greater happens here. So if you missed Open House, it's okay. No worries, we got your back. All you need to do to apply is www.vsu.edu, hit apply, and let us know. We'll get back to you in about 3 days. Welcome home.